Happy Easter production team. I am so incredibly excited for our Easter services that will be coming up, our Good Friday services, the weekend services, and even the sunrise service. If you're getting this video, it is because I want to invite you to help us put the stage together this Sunday and the week following. Here's kind of a picture of what we're going to be doing, and you can see a lot of circular themes. And really what we're going to be doing is, in the center of the stage, we're going to have a large circular center screen, and we're going to be telling a empty tomb narrative story with our stage this Easter. And so behind me, you'll see some of the fixtures that we'll be using for it. Some of these are newer fixtures. We're going to be doing a lot of incredibly new and different things with our lighting that's going to simplify the way that we use it. And also, we took wash tubs and we converted them into lighting fixtures as well, and we're going to be hanging those and flying them all throughout our airspace, and so that's going to be incredibly exciting. So if you are interested in helping out this Easter, just send me a text and show up on Sunday after service. We'll have food ready for us, and we'll get going.